Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I'm Nilesh, and in this video, we look at the digit classifier app from TensorFlow Lite demos. So let's open Android Studio and import the code. So we'll after this opens, we'll click on Open an existing project and then navigate to the desktop example dash master and then Lite examples. And here we want to click on the digit classifier, which is this one, and then Android. So click open, and after this is done, we should see the files on the left hand side here. And if there are no errors, then we should be able to run this particular app on the phone. So we have a recommendation to update the Gradle plugin. So let's go ahead and do that update. And on here, uh, okay, so those, all right. Now we can go ahead and click on build in the menu bar and then click on make project. So with that, here we can see the Gradle build running. So, and here's the progress bar. After the execution is done, and if there are no errors, then we should be able to run this particular app on the mobile phone. So now we have these assets and we have the TensorFlow Lite file that's downloaded. That is the MNIST dataset. So what we are going to do in this particular app is manually draw digits on the screen of the mobile phone and then recognize that. So I think we are good to run the app now. I'll run this app, run this code, and then switch over to the mobile screen and go from there. Here on the mobile device, this is the digit classifier app, and I'm going to attempt all the digits from 0 to 9. 0 works out, 1 I have to try it 2 times, then 2, 3, most of them worked, but then digit 6, I couldn't get that to work. So maybe if you got it to work, I'd like to know in the comments below. In the next video, we'll look at another interesting app from TensorFlow Lite. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you.